In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or open a Google form. Google Forms is a versatile tool for everything from surveys to quizzes, and I'll guide you through the process of setting up and organizing your forms with ease. Let's start with the basics. First, head over to Google Forms. You can easily access this by simply typing Google Forms into your search engine or by navigating directly through your Google account tools. Once there, you'll find the option to either create a new form from scratch or open an existing one. This flexibility allows you to either start fresh with a brand new project or continue working on something you've already begun. One of the great things about Google Forms is that anything you create is automatically saved in your Google Drive, meaning you never have to worry about losing your hard work. Speaking of Google Drive, let's talk about where exactly these forms are stored. Open your Google Drive and navigate to My Drive. You'll notice that any forms you've created will appear there as a little purple document icon. It's a handy visual cue that differentiates your forms from other files. If you want to keep things neat and organized, you can move your form to any folder within Drive that you choose. This organizing step helps a lot, especially if you've got multiple forms for various projects or purposes. Once your form is set up, you might want to gather and analyze responses in an organized manner. To do this, you can connect your form's responses to Google Sheets. Start by opening your form and clicking on the Responses tab at the top. This is where you'll find all the responses collected from your form's participants. Next, click on the Green Sheets icon, which acts as a gateway to linking the responses to a spreadsheet. At this point, you have two options. You can either create a brand new spreadsheet, which will automatically be stored in your Google Drive, or you can choose to connect your form to an existing spreadsheet, one that's already in your Drive. This option is particularly useful if you prefer to have all your data managed within a single spreadsheet for comprehensive analysis. Once set up, every new response to your form is seamlessly funneled directly into your linked Google Sheet. It's a real-time update that ensures you always have the most current information at your fingertips. This integration also sets the stage for more advanced data manipulation and actionable insights, which is incredibly valuable for many users. And there you have it, a clear step-by-step guide to creating or opening a Google form, organizing it within Google Drive, and linking responses to Google Sheets. It's a straightforward process that can greatly enhance how you collect and manage data. Thanks for watching, and happy form making.